A warm greeting. Today is Wednesday, October 9th, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. At the time of recording this video, it is 11:30 a.m. local time in Florida, and I am recording this video to provide an update on the most recent bulletin from the National Hurricane Center. Additionally, I wanted to mention that Hurricane Milton has finally started to weaken. It currently has maximum sustained winds of 145 miles per hour, which means it's still a Category 4 hurricane. However, this aligns with the forecast, which predicts that it will continue to weaken as it approaches areas near Sarasota and Tampa Bay. This weakening is evident in infrared satellite images, where we no longer see such a symmetrical system. This is due to some wind shear and dry air starting to impact the circulation, and it is expected to continue weakening over the next few hours. However, it is projected to make landfall as a Category 3 hurricane between Tampa Bay and the city of Sarasota. Throughout the afternoon and evening, we will be monitoring to see exactly where that center of circulation will make landfall, as it's impossible to know the exact point of entry on Florida's west coast. And although it is now expected to arrive as a Category 3 hurricane, the effects related to this hurricane will still be extremely dangerous. Therefore, residents of the state of Florida should be in a safe place over the next 24 hours. On the Doppler radar image, we can clearly see how the circulation of Hurricane Milton has continued to move northeastward and will eventually take a more easterly turn, moving over central Florida and passing very close to or over major cities, including Lakeland, Orlando, Sarasota, and Tampa. In fact, you can see a strong band of rain and thunderstorms approaching the west and southwest coast of Florida, and strong tornadoes have also been reported as far south as near Miami. So, it is a very dangerous day across all of Florida. Please stay in a safe place, especially if you live in the central part of the state. There haven't been any significant changes in the latest track. Some tropical storm force winds are already beginning to approach Florida's west coast, and the center of circulation is expected to arrive in the early hours of Thursday morning, meaning later tonight. However, weather conditions will continue to deteriorate throughout the day today. If we zoom in on the track, you can see that the center is projected to make landfall near the city of Sarasota and will then maintain a path toward the east-northeast, eventually exiting near the city of Melbourne. But remember, this is just a line, and hurricane force winds are expected to be felt across areas like Tampa, Lakeland, Orlando, Kissimmee, and Sarasota. In this graphic, you can see in pink the areas that may experience winds over 110 miles per hour. This includes parts of southern Tampa Bay and also cities between Sarasota and Arcadia. In red, over areas like Brooksville, Lakeland, and even Fort Myers, hurricane force winds between 74 to 110 miles per hour may be reported. Further west, areas like Kissimmee, Orlando, Sanford, Melbourne, and Kenansville could experience winds between 74 to 90 miles per hour. So, Hurricane Milton will be causing significant wind-related damage, particularly from Tampa to Sarasota. And very importantly, do not forget that it will continue to rain heavily for the next 36 hours. Models are projecting rainfall amounts between 8 to 12 inches in areas north of the circulation, including cities near Orlando, Lakeland, Ocala, and North Tampa. If the center of circulation makes landfall over the city of Sarasota, the strongest storm surge will be reported between Sarasota and Charlotte, where the surge could reach between 10 to 15 feet in height. Meanwhile, for Tampa Bay, with a trajectory just south of the region, storm surge estimates have decreased slightly to between 8 to 12 feet above sea level. However, the areas marked in red and purple will experience extremely dangerous storm surge. Therefore, it's crucial that no one is along the coast and that everyone in mandatory evacuation zones has left. Well, that's all for this short update on the 11 a.m. bulletin. Around 5 or 6 p.m., I'll record another video to update the situation with Hurricane Milton. To ensure you don't miss any of these videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell to receive notifications when I post new videos. Well, I'll leave you for now. The next video will be at 6 p.m. See you later.